Latte art is a journey. But no matter how simple or complex the pattern, they all require three things: well-extracted espresso, microfoam textured milk, and a lot of practice. A high-pressure steam wand using a powerful steam pressure at around 130 degrees Celsius is essential for creating silky taste and velvety mouthfeel. And without it, latte art is not possible. To help you master latte art, we've created a training cup to get you started. The circular lines at the base indicate the espresso volume for a single and double shot. The curved line on the wall helps guide you when pouring microfoam. Let's see a demo. Start with the jug up high and tilt the cup to increase the surface area of the espresso, using the dotted line as a guide. Pour a thin, constant stream of microfoam to pierce the center of the crema. As the cup starts to fill, stop before you hit the line and tilt the cup more upright. Then bring the tip of the jug close to the surface of the milk, almost touching it. At this point, a white dot will start to appear. Keep steadily pouring, making the dot larger. So you finished with the dot, but this is the first step in creating the heart, the tulip, and the rosetta. Good luck with the journey. Find out more about our latte art training cups at breville.com.